The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to create a watermark. A watermark is one of those faint, ghostly looking images that appears behind the content of the document that you want to create. It can be created by using text, or you can use images as your watermark itself. To get started, the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert a watermark. I'm going to go to the View tab, I'm going to look in the Zoom group, and I'm going to click on one page. That way I can see my entire document. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select the Page Layout tab. And now I'm going to take a look in the Page Background group, and I'm going to select the Watermark command. Here you have the opportunity to see that you can select Do Not Copy, or you could have chosen Confidential. So if I wanted to change that back and I wanted to make the watermark, I'm going to look back in the Page Background group, click on Watermark, and this time I'll choose Confidential. So I can see Confidential is going to be in the background. Another thing that I'm able to do is to go back into the Page Background group, and now I can click on the drop down. If I want to click and create a customized watermark, I can click on Custom Watermark. And here you can see that I have the option to select Text Watermark. By doing that, I can choose the drop down arrow for the different text that I would like to be shown on the background, and you can see it puts that information in there. Going back to Page Background again and selecting the Watermark command, at this point I can go in and select Custom Watermark another time, and I have a few more options. If I wanted to change this so I can say Do Not Share, I can do that, and then I can make it any kind of font that I want that's available from this drop down list. The second thing is I can also change the size of it in terms of the font, and I can change the color that will appear in the background. So if I wanted it to be something like this, I can also have the opportunity to say that I want it to show horizontally. So I'm going to go back in and click OK, and you can see Do Not Share will show in that area. I'm going to edit one more time and look in the Page Background area. And again, with the custom watermark, what I'm going to do this time is I'll put in Do Not Share. And at this point, what I'm going to do is click on Color. I'll select that same color again, but this time I want it to be diagonal, so I'll click on OK, and you can see that that watermark is placed inside of the document for text.